everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I got a package and I'm really excited to see what's inside, so let's open it. And it's from Amazon. Love Amazon. And this is from Bob. Thank you so much, Bob. That in the jar. And Bob got me another package. Then we're gonna open this one. Ooh, wait. Pretty! He got me Popsockets, and I love Popsockets. And these ones are different. They're like a marble kind of look. And there's 3 of them. There is a blue one. I think it's blue. Yeah, there's a blue one. There's a black marble one. And there is a pink marble one. So I'm going to put one of them on my phone. But I don't know if it's going to stick because I did just get a new phone case. And it's a bit different material. I'm going to use the black one. Oh, and it's like a white base. It's I cannot open this. Okay. And yeah, it's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on my phone. Like peel it off. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay, I can do this. Okay, wait. Oh, I did it. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, so how do I put it in the middle? I'm gonna hope that it sticks. Yeah, it kind of does. Maybe I just have to give it a little bit of time. But it's really cute. And of course, perfect for holding it. Perfect for doing like selfies and stuff. And of course, you know, you can really trust it. So once again, thank you so much, Bob. I'm very grateful for the Popsockets you gave me. And thank you all for watching my videos and supporting my channel. And I'm so grateful for all of you. See you later.